girl done made it to Todd Jay-Z, my Z-doozy doo. Let's see what we getting out of here. TMI, I'm on a hunt to find me a brazier, cause like what? I need my shit up there. My shit is down there. Can't never go wrong with the black one. Or maybe should I switch it up with the pink? No, sorry. But looking for a bra at Torgeezy. I done looked through all these damn bras and I don't see a goddamn thing. Damn. Just a reminder, if y'all forgot, you are enough. But I had to go to a different Target because they didn't have what I wanted. Let's get in this motherfucker. For real, I need to run because I gotta go pick somebody up for my mom. So I had to be in this motherfucker. Speed, motherfucker, walking. Speed walking. Or going to this Target because this Target actually got a plus size side. And I know they got it here, so let me look. Not one, but it's fucking Grandma Tan. I'm pissed. Now I gotta go hurry up and find me some mouthwash so I can get the fuck out of here. I guess I'll grab my sister some pillows while I'm here. In here. She's like, I need some pillows. Looking ass. I'm gonna try this brand, but I'm gonna find something different. I already tried that one before. Let's try this one. Let's see what it does. I was thinking about getting a snack, but I'm getting real food. Auntie, because your girl needs some more makeup. I gotta hurry up. Cross the street for somebody to get me. But yeah, this is my favorite brand of makeup. So I did pick up that I didn't put on camera. This. Cause like this smells good as fuck. Like I about died when I smelled it. Can't wait, but on time. What the fuck do I want? I know exactly what I'm gonna get. I'm not how much of a mess I look, but now I'm finna do something to my hair, you know. She's like, get into this.
Make my last meal for me and my son before we die.
Get into this.
He says, you know, do that, but make one for me first. And isn't it amazing that God did not give her just tons and tons of flour to last for 3 years?
So I end up falling asleep because, you know, TMI, but you know when it's that time of the month and you just want to lay down and chill. But it's the next morning and then it's 7:45 a.m. and I'm making me some breakfast because, like, why not? How fat these fucking turkey sausages get, though. Like, that shit is funny to me. Like, is they cool? Turkey. Breakfast is done. So, like, yeah. How I'm looking? How am I looking? So, like, your girl is done. Stop recording me, Lexi. Hey, my big cousin in the building.
I look up.
Where the baby at?
She at home sick.
For real? So how you been? Stop, Alexis. Alright, bye. This is beautiful. Like, look at the flowers. I love flowers. Like, what? This is cute. Like, Seriously, such a nice backyard. Love it. My girl over here setting up. Let me get over here and help her, y'all. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. That is so beautiful. I just love a fountain. Only if it was clean though. Yes, ma'am. She's so beautiful.
I need that fruit that I cut up.
What's next, boss? No, it's not.
I'm about to. Oh, I put the cherry mimosa on there too. For real?
I forgot it was glued. Skin and pay. Shake it. Shake it.
It's starting to rain.
So it started raining and we're just sitting on, you know. It's raining, but look how bright the sun is. I can't even see the rain on here.
Is that a rainbow song?
Where?
Or that's just the cloud?
It just looks so beautiful. Like, what?
I feel like I'm sweating.
Huh?
You piddly winking. Hurry up.
Yeah, y'all piddly winking.
You know what?
Piddly winking.
So sad.
That was good.
I'm trying to get drunk. No, I'm fine. Hey, so what's going on? What are you selling?
I'm selling flowers and mimosas.
Okay, these are beautiful. What's your name?
The flower cartel.
Okay. Get with her, the flower cartel. Period. This is cute, girl. Cute stuff. Well, samosas got me lit. No, it's fine.
Okay, I got you. Your daughter's what? Nakai. Okay, my granddaughter's Nakai.
WROU Studio.
Oh, you gave him his drink?
This is the food they serving us. How is it?
This is turkey.
It's turkey? I thought it was tuna.
It tastes like tuna?
I don't know. I'm about to.
Are they having a party?
Yeah. Cheers.
Let me get the.
And I am gone. Bye,
Will take a book.
Oh, look at your face. Actually, that.
Will.
Boo boo.
I wish I had some money.
Why?
I don't know.
So what you
I'm
gonna
poor.
do?
I'm poor.
You poor?
Yeah.
Dang, what you been doing?
Nothing much. When I make 100 Hot Wheels, I might sell them.
Okay. Well, we're gonna get you to 100 Hot Wheels, huh? How many you have so far?
Like 79.
All right. Well, if you help me clean up in here, I'll pay you a couple dollars.
All right.
All right. You ready?
Yep.
Let's get it. So I just got done cleaning my aunt's house and she cooked like, let's try it. Damn. Like what? Who chicken you know you could use a spoon to cut it with? Like, come on now. God damn. She really can cook her ass off. God damn! I'm gonna get me a Cybertruck. Damn, she can cook. Fuck! This shit is fire. I just don't understand. This was a good Sunday meal. Man, I tell you. Tomorrow, I'm going on a diet. Oh, thank you, Lord, for this food. Say how to fucking tell. That shit was good. I'm full. Shit. So I had to go pick up my girl Shamar and her friend. 'Cause I was been supposed to take them swimming. Damn near fucking Friday. It's Sunday. And girl, just been busy. But I'm finally able to do it now. So so how did y'all feel yesterday when I didn't come pick y'all up for swimming?
I already know what you was gonna do.
What?
You're just gonna come pick us up tomorrow.
How did you know that?
That's what you always do.
What?
And then the next weekend you'll actually come get us.
So you be knowing I'm gonna do it. I just didn't do that day. Okay. So are y'all guys ready to go swimming?
Yeah.
Here I am. I don't sound too happy. Can I get a little cheer?
Yes, girl, I'm ready to go swimming. You ready to go swimming? Oh.
I need that before you got the car.
Mm-hmm.
You got a what on?
Point on.
Pull up. No. Panties.
What? Sit down.
Y'all want to just stay up there?
No.
Why?
It's up there.
Oh, okay.